on this video, that means you're having a YouTube video block. No, you're having a creative block, or what I call a YouTube content block. And today you are in luck because I have written down in this book 40 video ideas that will completely blow up your channel if you are living in Nigeria. Even if you're not staying in Nigeria, you're staying somewhere else, these video ideas that I'm about to list out to you would completely blow out your channel. The problem we're having in this Nigeria is too much. There is no light. As you can see, I am filming with sunlight, but you don't need to include lack of YouTube video ideas to your problem. So today I have taken out time to write down 40 video ideas that would completely blow up your channel. So if that is what you're interested in, keep watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. It's recommen here. This is a fashion, lifestyle and culture channel. If you are just tuning in to this channel for the first time, if you're clicking on the link for the first time, if you are seeing my face for the first time, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, follow me across all social media platforms. Without further ado, let's jump right in. First video idea that I'll be mentioning is your boyfriend / husband tag. You can do that. You can do question tag. How well does my husband know me? How well does my wife know me? You can do a story time video. Number 3, we love relationships, we love sex, we love marriage. You can talk about how you knew your husband was the one for you. You can talk about how I caught my boyfriend cheating on me. People would love to see that, and they'll watch it to the end. You can talk about how to gain followers on Instagram. If you have gained followers on a particular platform, a particular social media platform like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, you can talk about how to gain more followers on this platform. Number 5, you can talk about how to become an influencer. People are also looking for how to start getting PR, to send them packages, how I get PR packages, how I get brands to send me stuff. People like to watch that kind of stuff. How to get monetized on YouTube. If you're already monetized on YouTube, or if you're already monetized on any platform at all. TikTok pays people. Instagram, I don't know about Instagram, but people make money off of Instagram from doing businesses and becoming influencers. So you can talk about that too. You can talk about how much you earn working at a particular place. For example, if you're working at KPMG, for example, I mean, people are talking about KPMG all the time on Twitter. You can talk about how KPMG in Nigeria pays me, how much they pay me, or how much I earn working as a PA to a popular celebrity. If you have done that in the past, that is a story that people would love to hear and love to watch. Okay, number 8, you can talk about how I edit my Instagram pictures. So if you're really good at editing pictures, editing your Instagram reels, you can talk about that as well. How much you earn from Instagram if you're doing business on Instagram, for example, or any social media platform at all. If you're doing business on Twitter, if you're doing business on TikTok, people want to know how much you earn because Nigerians are nosy like that. Next video idea, you can do a try on clothing haul. If you get like makeup, you get hair, you get clothes, whatever it is that you got, you can do review about what you got. Then you can also, next video idea here is public interviews. What I mean by public interviews is like getting out on the street and asking people Davido or whiskey, which do you prefer? Fight will start in the comment section. Number 13, people like to watch how I lost weight. People also want to know how you gained weight. People want to know how I got my abs in 1 week. People want to see results of your workout routine. Next idea that I have here is skincare routine. If you had a bad skin, for example, I am dealing with a lot of rashes on my face and I want to know how I can clear it off. If you have a skincare routine that really is working for you, or products that you're using on your skin that is working for you, you can put that out there. People want to watch that too. And under that, I also have how I transformed my skin video. For example, if you really used to have breakouts on your skin all the time, you can do a video of how before and after, how I use like tomato on my face, how I use ketchup on my face, how I use rice water on my face, and it completely cleared out my skin. People want to watch that too. The next thing that I have here is to vlog interesting things. If you find interesting things on your street, you don't even need to, the thing is that you don't even need to spend money filming these things. For example, if you're living on a street and there's one dilapidated, did I speak that English right? Okay, you get what I'm saying. People, the thing is, Nigerians are extreme. I mean, like everybody, not just Nigerians. Everybody is like extreme. So it's either extreme good or extreme bad. So if there is an extreme good situation, they want to watch that. If there's an extreme bad situation, they want to watch that too. I wrote out examples here. For example, you can see, they say, look at the state of the government school in Ikoyi. People say, Ikoyi that rich people are living. How is there this kind of school that is like this? And people are passing every day. Or you say, look at the state of roads in Banana Island. See, Banana Island, this estate that people have money, people buy house for 100 million in Banana Island. People want to watch that. Nigerians love that. You can also talk about like what Tayo Aina is doing. He goes to these luxurious estates and films videos there. So you can do that too. You can go to these estates. You can go to if you have permission. This one requires money, because I mean you need to pay money to film most of the places in Lagos. But in your street, in your village, whether you are in Lagos, whether you are in Abuja, whether you are in Nnewi, you are in Anambra State, you can say, hey, this is this structure in Nnewi. You will never know that this kind of structure exists. Or you say, this is the house of the popular KC and brothers. People want to see that. Another thing that people want to see is DIY videos. You can teach people how to do, like how to dance zanku, leg work. I don't know how to do it, but I would love to learn. If you do that kind of videos, please tag me. You can, this crazy dance that is currently raining, like mad people. You can film that too. Gossip videos. Nigerians love to gossip. They love to know what is happening with Meseg. They want to know what Tokimakinwa is doing. You can do that. If you are into celebrity gossip, celebrity gist, you can talk about that. Look at the videos that are doing well in Nigeria. Most of them, they don't even have the content that they claim to have. For example, I caught Tokimakinwa on camera. Look at what she was doing. I caught Bobrisky on camera. Look at what Bobrisky is doing. Look at the fights that broke out between Bobrisky and James Brown. You can totally talk about that. Nigerians want to hear gist. They want to hear gist. They can spend their data hearing gist. They watch your video from beginning to end. Or you say, look at what Erica's mom said about Leko. Fight will break out in your comment section. Please don't do clickbait. You can review movies. For example, there are so many movies out now that, like Bridgerton, people are talking about Bridgerton. I have not watched Bridgerton, but I want to know what people are saying about it before I watch it. The thing about reviewing movies or reviewing shows is that you have to do it around the time that people are talking about it. So it's not like people talked about Game of Thrones since 1980, but you now want to start talking about it now. I mean, well, unless you find a new side to it. Next thing that I have here on the list is room decor. If you transformed your room, people are talking about plant moms now. Everybody's a plant mom, plant dad, plant babies. If you have plants that are doing well, you decorated your room in a certain way, you transformed your room. You can do, I transformed my room and it cost me 0 naira. Nigerians love luxury, no matter how poor we are here. Next thing that you can do is a house tour video. So if you got a new apartment and you're like, you can title it like, this is my apartment in Lekki, this is my apartment in Yaba, this is my apartment in Ikeja, Ikorodu, wherever you stay. You can do house tour video. You can also do clean out your room or declutter your space video. But this kind of videos actually gain a lot of viewership if you already have views, if you already have subscribers on your channel. So I don't know, I wouldn't advise you to do this if you're a small YouTuber. I don't know how much people would want to see a small YouTuber decluttering their space. Challenges and trends. You can hop on challenges if it's happening. For example, there was a time that this challenge was happening. I went to a street makeup artist and this is how she transformed my face. You can do that, but you have to do these challenges when they are happening. For example, I would not walk to a street makeup artist and do it now because I don't think people are actually watching that kind of videos now. You can talk about trends like this Stingy Men Association, that. You can talk about that to talk about it from your own angle, figure out something, Then another topic that I have here is review popular brands. This one, you can review for popular brands. For example, Tokimakinwa launched her makeup kit or lipstick kit or handbag. Laura KG launched a beauty lipstick kit. Or this Melodia dress that was trending on Twitter. You can buy it and like, this is it, or this is what it looks like. I mean, people want to see that. People want to see you review popular brands. You can review for fashion, for makeup, for phones, for people want to see that too. You can do tutorials. This is under DIY, but I mean, it's different. You can tell people how to draw their eyebrow. Can you imagine that how to draw eyebrows is still getting up to 1 million views in 2021? Can you guys believe that? I thought people already know how to draw their eyebrows, but people like me, I don't know how to draw my eyebrows. Recreation videos for celebrities. You can do, if for example, why do I keep talking about you can do Bobrisky. If Bobrisky has a particular makeup look, you're like, I want to recreate Bobrisky's makeup look. For guys, you can say, I want to recreate Ebuka's outfit, for example, or Nobuligwe's outfit. You can get creative with that. You can recreate videos from celebrities or something like that. Next thing is, you can do what it's like working at Dash. For example, there are popular places that people love to work at, like what is like working at Indomie noodles, for example. What's like working at a hospital, but a popular place. You can do what's like working at Ebony Live TV. What's like working with, or what is like working as a PA of this celebrity. People want to see that. I DM'd dash, and this is what happened. I DM'd Erica, and this is what happened. I DM'd James Brown, this is what happened. I DM'd the popular celebrity, and this is how they replied me. You can do that. You can do cooking videos. Cooking videos always draw people in. But the thing is that you have to get creative with your titles. For example, if I type in on Google search how to cook ofora, or how to cook how to make spaghetti bologna.
God have mercy upon us.
You know that spaghetti, bolo something. Instead of titling it like how to cook this, for example, you can say the easiest and fastest way to cook bass. This hack will save your life. I tried this person's method. You can get creative with titling your videos. Then you can do assumption videos, but these assumption videos only gain traction, only gain people like viewing it if you're already popular on YouTube. You can talk about how people are assuming you're this, assuming you're that. You can talk about that. I pretend to be that for a day. I wanted to do this particular video, but I didn't have the resources to do that. I wanted to pretend to be Dimaume for a day. I just didn't know, like I wanted to pretend to be maybe Jackie Aina for a day, or maybe pretend to be Fisayo for Sudo. You can pretend to be one of these popular YouTubers or popular celebrities. You can pretend to be them for a day and just study. The thing is, it requires you to study their personality. So you have to pick someone that has this very charming personality, that is very out there. I don't know about research, but mommy, I don't know. But you can get a celebrity or popular person or an influencer and pretend to be them for a day. Then you can talk about movie recommendations. I think I talked about this when you're reviewing movies, but this one, movie recommendations, you can say what to watch, 10 YouTube movies that you can watch as a Nigerian. You can talk about the Men's Club, for example. You can talk about Game On that Ndani TV started recently. You can talk about Skinny Girl in Transit. There are so many movie recommendations that people would want to see. I want to what movie recommend movies. People are always talking about that. People are always asking, recommend movies for me. You can do that. Number 39. I'm talking about pranks. Prank your boyfriend, prank your husband, prank your sister, your cousin, your family, your mom, your dad. Last but not the least, you can talk about answering questions that girls or guys are too afraid to ask. If you watched this part of the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, share it everybody, and comment down below. I absolutely love to read your comments and to reply and to hear your feedback about the video that I just did. I want to hear it. So if this video was totally helpful to you, please share it. Please follow me across all social media platforms. The link is on your screen right now. And remember, I post videos every Wednesday and Friday. I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.